Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today I am going to introduce GPT Book Club, where you can chat to the books and ask any question and the answer will come straight from the book itself. So let me show you how it works. And don't worry, I will share the link in the description. So this website is called GPT Book Club, and you have to click on talk to our books for free. So you can see here it's written that uncover the power of knowledge, ask any question and get book sourced answer. So GPT Book Club is unique because you will get answer from book source. So let me ask question. I will try 3 questions to check how precise and correct this GPT Book Club. So I'm writing a question here. So here I wrote, in George Orwell novel 1984, what is the significance of the phrase Big Brother is watching you, and how does it contribute to the overall theme of the book? So I ask very precise question as I want to check how correct and related answer I will get from this GPT Book Club. So you need to search it, and you can see here the answer is going to be generated. So here you can get the output from the answer, particularly from the book reference I gave it to them. So it's like a e-library, and not only library, you can go immediately to your particular question. So similarly, let me ask one science question also from the science book. So let me write here. So I wrote here, in Stephen Hawking's A Brief History of Time, what are some of the key theories and concepts discussed that shed light on the origin of the universe and the nature of black holes? So I just need to click again, and you can see here answer is going to be generated. So here you can see the AI engine generates a peculiar answer from the book itself. Let me try another one from history and check how it works. Now I'm going to ask a question from history book, and you can see here on my screen. So this time I ask question from Team of Rivals. Question is about Abraham Lincoln leadership, and let me search. So you can see here the answer has been generated. So with the help of this AI based book club, you can ask any question and you can get answer which is a book source answer. So it will be very precise, very correct, and it is very useful for all the teachers. That's how you can uncover the power of knowledge, and you can ask any question and you can get book sourced answer. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.